Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Ram 1500 in an SLT trim and powered by a 3-liter EcoDiesel, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, heavy-duty mud flaps on the front and rear tires, and recently detailed so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. First, looking in the back seat, where you have spacious seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage bins underneath. Do also have 2 cup holders in the middle there, and underneath the floor mats on both sides you do also have some pretty deep storage bins there. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 125,358 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your manual gear shift, and then you also have your cruise controls. Then on the left, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, all of your vehicle information here, all of your service info and whatnot, fuel economy, your trip A and B information, your trailer tow status, your audio controls, warnings, screen setup in general. And then on the back side of the steering wheel, you have your hands-free radio controls. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio Sirius, USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth, and SD capable, so you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have general controls for your accessories. You have all of your apps in one place for ease of access. You have your digital climate controls. You can shut off the screen, and then the last option is your Bluetooth phone controls, but we don't have one connected, so that's okay. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down from that, you have your physical, media, and climate controls here, with your hazards in the middle there, and then you have your trailer brake controller and your traction control shut off and your tow haul mode buttons. To the left, you have your main shifter just on a dial, very convenient, and you have your 4x4 controls right underneath that, and then a 12-volt power outlet. Then on the right, you just have a little cubby and a USB here, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have this compartment for more storage, which is always nice. And moving on to your center console area, where you have 3 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest with your 12-volt SD auxiliary and a USB inside, so you can plug something into power charge or hook up your audio. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.